open up the Lenten calendar.
Oh my goodness, look at our Lenten calendar. It has the last 2 packages.
Who wants to take off the pink one? Me. I will take off the blue one. Me.
Okay. These are the last 2. Jesus already rose the last time we did
This
it.
doesn't have anything in it.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
What is it?
Sticker.
Ooh, let's look.
Itchy butt.
Dion, what is that? You guys,
Daddy.
you can open your baskets, you
I
guys.
got makeup. Ow! Ow! Okay. So then, what is this say?
It's a pencil sharpener, it looks like.
Yeah, it's a sharpener.
Oh,
And this holds
Boy. what's this, Mommy?
What's that, Rebecca? A Peter
What's
Rabbit?
this?
Oh, a pencil sharpener, Rebecca.
Yeah.
That's a bank, Daniel. Look at that. You needed a bank.
Thing is inside it.
What's that, Michael?
Yeah. Go, Mommy. Get it. Michael, turn it off.
Turn it around. No, just turn it around. Let me see it. Turn it toward Mama.
Michael.
Did you get the...
What's that, sweetie?
Good.
I got makeup.
Oh, you know what that is? That's lip gloss. Each one has a different flavor. You put your finger in it and then you put it on your lips. Daniel,
How is
that thing.
Can eat.
Oh, look at that.
Now all we gotta do is go find the eggs. Stickle ball. Mommy, I found a thing. This is a stickle ball. Mommy, look what I found. An Easter egg.
Look at that.
I found an Easter
Oh my
egg.
goodness.